right into this world.
Alright, yep, got a new box in today. I'm going to do an install here, if they sent me the right stuff. Trash. Custom Dynamics. ProBeam. Get them in there and see what's up with it. Package open. There we go. Get that stuff off there. There's that one. Get this one unwrapped. I know this has been on video so many times, but it's been on my video, so I'm gonna do one install on these lights. See how she goes. That out of there. Sure, yep, should work. There's enough grease on that one that I just pulled out of there, should be good. Like to grease up a little bit of stuff on there so it don't corrode. Protects it. Open. There you go. Bulb out. On that side. We've got plenty of grease on it too, just to smear on this one, the new one. Actually a lot. Thing should be seated in there. picture of that rubber gasket on that. My smoked lens is on there right, or otherwise we'll pinch it and cut it. And water to get in it. Now let's see if she's working right. There you go. There you go. Try the flashers. There you go. I gotta look at it too. Yep. This will be the next thing that goes. Try that again. There's the left one. There's the right one. That's it. Well, we'll see how it goes. Alright. Thanks for watching, y'all. Like, share, and subscribe.